and choppers, shopping copper soccer for you possums. I'm that moonwalking Chewbacca that you don't wanna get crushed with. Never do a CrossFit, bitch, out about it. Don't got any of this gin and done it. I ain't never sober, been addicted to chronic. Born with a blood number, not you. Best respect my authority, dawg. I know some crazy, yo, that's what way down in Florida. They white as fuck, but they.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show y'all my exhaust system on my single cam truck. It's a 99 GMC Sierra. I put two Dynomax mufflers on it. It's a true dual system. It's got some headers from Pacesetter, some long tubes, and it's 2.5 inches all around. The piping and all of that is done in 2.5 inches. Sounds pretty great. It's not if you want to go extreme, not the type of extreme muffler that you'd like. For that, I'd go with something else. But this one is very nice, clean and crisp sound, and I love it so much. This is probably my favorite muffler. It's definitely gave me a bit more horseshoes and torque. It's snowing out here, and I haven't started it in like maybe 3 weeks, so it's probably a cold start when I start it up. Man, that's a very good sound. I love it. Super cold. Well, guys, there y'all have it. That's how it sounds. I'm gonna make a more complex, more into depth about this muffler, about this exhaust system that I have on my truck, because I literally fell in love with it the day I bought it. The day I got it back, it was something surreal, and it was pretty nice. Just how much more power that I made from just that muffler itself. It was some pretty good power just from that muffler. It also has high flow cats, which I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video. It has some flowmaster high flow cats, but it sounds pretty good. But anyways, if you liked how it sounds and you would like to, you know, stay up to date about this truck, subscribe please, like, comment, and share. I'm gonna have a review about this muffler and the brand itself pretty shortly soon, so I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.